For models originally equipped with cargo lights only, non-cargo light model might need modification to prevent light function issue. 14 length, uses existing bolt holes for installation. Lamp type, brake and cargo. Super bring LED light compare to the OE light, low power consumption. Brings a different appearance to vehicle that great for show use. Our LED third brake light is a quick and easy way to dress up your pickup truck. When lit, the bright LEDs, light-emitting diodes, are illuminated, and shine up to 10 times brighter than standard light bulbs. Even when the brake is not pressed, the integrated cargo light gives off plenty of white light to view your gear in the truck bed. The LED third brake light has a durable polycarbonate lens with free-form reflector, and available with either the clear lens or custom smoked lens. Compatible with 9906 Chevy Silverado 1500 2500 and 3599 06, G, M, C Sierra 1500 2500 3500, 01, 06 Chevy Silverado 1500 2500 3500, HD, 01, 06 GMC Sierra 1500 2500 3500, HD, 07 Chevy Silverado 1500 2500 3500 Classic, 07, G, M, C Sierra 1500 2500 3500 Classic, 07 Chevy Silverado 1500 2500 HD Classic, 07, G, M, C Sierra 1500 2500 HD Classic. Top reviews from the United States. Looks good. Good quality. Looks good, wanted it a little more clear. It has a light smoke tent. Not unhappy at all. Just not super clear.